Girl by Jamaica Kincaid. Jamaica is an Antiguan American novelist, essayist, and gardening writer. She is a significant voice in contemporary literature. She is widely praised for her works of short fiction novels and essays in which she explores a tense relationship between mother and daughter, as well as themes of anti-colonialism. Annie John, A Small Place, Lucy. These are the notable works of Jamaica Kincaid. Jamaica's Girl is a dramatic monologue in which a mother gives advice to her daughter. There are only two characters, mother and her daughter. This story consists of a series of instructions meant to help the titular girl to become a respectable woman. Throughout the prose, mother repeatedly tells the girl this is how, while explaining how proper adults should behave. Throughout the story, mother is the only speaker, and this story seems to be dramatic. That's why this prose is considered as a dramatic monologue. Though mother is the only speaker throughout the prose, the girl interrupts her mother twice. So now let's discuss about the summary of this chapter. So this chapter begins with the mother's instructions on how to do laundry. According to the girl's mother, there is a proper way and a proper day to wash clothes. So here the mother tells the girl, that is her daughter, to wash white clothes on Monday. And after washing the white clothes, it should be put upon the stone heap. And the colored dress should be washed on Tuesdays, and it should hang on the clothesline to dry. Then the mother advises her daughter not to walk barehead in the hot sun. Instead of walking barehead, she advises her daughter to wear a head wrap. This is said in order to avoid curling of her hair in hot sun, because the African girls experience a social pressure to maintain a straight hair. So, in order to avoid curling of hair due to the humid sun, mother advises her daughter to wear a head wrap instead of walking barehead. Now the mother gives her a list of tips. The tip includes the best way to fry pumpkin fritters, the ways to soak saltfish, and the way of choosing best cotton to make a blouse. According to mother, food is not only nourishment but also heritage. Then mother tells the girl how to behave in Sunday school. Mother advises her not to sing Benna in Sunday school. Benna is a form of calypso music with upbeat rhythm and lyrics. She then advises her to walk carefully like a lady, so that people will not think that she is a slut. Mother is certain that one day her daughter will become a slut. So she advises her daughter to be careful with her walk. Mother then tells her daughter that she must not talk with the wharf rat boys for any reason at all. These boys are really poor. There are rumors that these boys are involved in criminal activities. While mother advises her not to sing Benna in Sunday school, the girl interrupts her. She said that she does not sing Benna on Sundays and never at Sunday schools. This is the first time the girl speaks. She asserts herself as someone who follows the rules. Then the mother advises her not to eat fruits from outside, that is, from the streets. Mother then tells the girl how to maintain her clothes by sewing and ironing. Mother also encourages her to pay special attention with her hemlines, because if they come down too far, she will look like a slut. Mother is certain that one day her daughter will become a slut. Even the clothing of a woman indicates sexual availability. That's why mother advises her to pay attention with her clothing. Then mother advises her the ways to grow traditional crops like okra and dashin. It is advised to make sure that there is a proper distance between the kitchen and the garden. Mother then gives certain instructions on how to socialize. It includes the way of setting table for tea and mealtime, and the way of smiling towards the person whom she likes and whom she doesn't like, and also about a girl's behavior around strange men. This advice suggests that a girl is judged by the society through her actions and behavior. Mother wants her daughter to be a respectable woman. That's why she is giving certain instructions. Mother then tells the girl how to manage her body. It includes the importance of hygiene. She advises her daughter to clean herself with her spit, though spit is an unhygienic fluid. Then she warns the girl never to play with marbles. Mother then tells her not to throw stones at blackbird because it might not be a blackbird at all. She then demonstrates her daughter to make certain medicines at home. She demonstrates her the medicines for cold and for terminating pregnancy. Mother then instructs her on how to bully a man. Then she demonstrates by showing how a man will bully her. She then tells her that there are a few ways to love a man. She even assures her that if those methods does not work, there are few other methods for it. And she should give up if that other methods also does not work. Also, she should not consider it as a failure. At last, she advises her that before buying a bread, she should always squeeze it to make sure that it is fresh. This advice prompted the girl to ask a question. She asked her mother, what if the baker does not allow her to squeeze the bread? Mother, being disappointed, asks the girl that whether she will become a kind of woman who the baker won't let near the bread. Mother expects her daughter to become a homemaker, but the girl's question made a suspicion in the mother's mind that whether she will become a kind of slut who is unwelcomed in a bakery or who is not allowed to enter into a bakery. Throughout the prose, we can see that the mother is certain that her daughter will become a slut one day. But the girl's last question disappointed her. It creates a deep suspicion in her mind that whether her daughter will become a slut who is not allowed to enter into a bakery. So that's all about the summary of the dramatic monologue Girl by Jamaica Kincaid. I hope this video would be helpful for you. Thank you.